Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share music from Spotify as a note on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages. I'm going to click on this icon on the top right, and then I'm going to click on this option, the note option. Okay, tap on that, and then you're going to click on this music icon guys, and here you will see this option, share from Spotify. And for your information, this is a new feature on Instagram, and if you haven't gotten this feature on your Instagram, you just need to wait, or you can try to update your Instagram application, because I think the developer gave us this feature gradually. Okay, and I'm going to select this option. Okay, before you apply this feature to your Instagram note, you can click on how it works if you want to get more information about this feature. And you can see the description here, this feature isn't available to everyone. Okay, so you need to check whether you get this feature or not. All right, and then I'm going to go back, and I'm going to click on this icon. Okay, and this is the song I'm playing on my Spotify. Wait, I'm going to open up my Spotify, and anytime I change the song, it will be updated automatically on my Instagram note. Okay, and then let me go back to the Instagram. Okay, it's already updated guys. So the song you're playing on Spotify will be shared to your Instagram note real time. Okay, and then after that you just need to click on share. Wait, I'm going to change the song. Okay, I'm going to play this song. All right, and then I'm going to share it to my notes. Okay, and now it's done, and I'm going to try to change it. Okay, all right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to share music from Spotify to Instagram note. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.